I am starting Vlogvember. I have never done this before. I don't even know the protocol. I was talking to my wife yesterday and she was like, well, how you gonna do it? I said, well, I do believe that I have to maybe start on Halloween, which is today.
Oh, there he is. What's up, Noah?
Because in order to have the video to be up on November 1, I gotta film the day before versus if not, I will be starting on November the 2nd. So, guys, I'm just gonna be documenting each day. I have no idea what November has in store. These are not going to be videos with necessarily one particular topic. I've never vlogged before, so I'm excited to learn. And you guys are gonna see me learning through the process. So, guys, I'm getting a couple miles out this morning. The temperature is dropping, getting some electrolytes in the building. Already got my coffee inside of my system. This is what I do every single morning. Then after that, gonna do lunch with some kinfolk and man, just get started on my day. So I'm excited, guys, to document each and every day that I'm doing in November alongside my community out there that's doing Blowvember. So let's get some miles in. Headed out to lunch, watching my man Marquez Brownlee, brand new video dropping about the new Apple event. I'm gonna actually watch his review probably first before I even watch the actual Apple event. Although I'm in the beauty business, in my opinion, I'm also in the media business, so I gotta stay up on tech and technology. So I wanna check out what he said about the event, and now I'm headed to lunch. You about to get something else? You tipped her up? Because I said,
I most definitely tipped her $20.
oh, you blessed her.
Hey, every time. What's your YouTube channel?
It's just my name. So,
No.
you'll be in it too.
Yeah, I have a good one.
I had no intention on my very first day to be drinking margaritas, but maybe this is a celebration into Vlogvember. Very good margaritas with top shelf tequila. Middle of the day. You know, entrepreneurship has its perks, you know? Had to pick lunch up for the missus. All right, back in the office. Couple hours left till Blowvember 2023. So what I'm gonna do is, that's why I'm doing Vlogvember, because my community is beauty professionals all over the country, all over the world, that do a 30-day campaign that do blowout and silk press to each one of their clients every day for 30 days straight during the month of November. So tonight is like Blowvember Eve. So I'm just gonna flood my stories right now, my tribe members and people that are in my online education community that are doing Blowvember with the posts that they're doing, hyping them up, gearing them up, because midnight tonight, it actually starts, but people will kick it off tomorrow. So now I'm just about to go in on my phone and repost a ton of people.
3, 2, 1.
I got my first lesson in shooting on a DSLR. My battery went dead, and my second battery I thought was charged up is not charged up, so this is on my phone. So I want to add this in because I've done all my emails and my blast and my stories tagging the tribe, but now I know it's late, but I need a workout session before the end of the night because I went away this weekend and I ate a lot and I feel fluffy. Fitness, you'll notice, guys, is a big part of my daily and weekly routine. So I'm just about to go to a gym and just pick some heavy shit up and put it back down.
All right, so just completed a dumbbell workout. I've been away from weights for a few days now. I'm really trying to go to failure. The workout was already tough, but I'm gonna do 3 sets of 10 push-ups to finish things off.
Yes, sir. Recovery. In the water bottle, done with the gym for the day. Way later than I normally do it, but felt good. Back to the crib. Day one for me, Vlogvember, and day one for all of my community out there that's going to be doing Vlogvember. Let's do a quick checklist. I'm going to wrap up this first day, guys. Good luck to everybody that is going after their 10K in 30 days for Vlogvember. I just want to go over a few pointers to remind everybody in order to kick things off with a boom. Make sure your station and your back bar and your retail are stacked with products, your station with tools, your back bar with products, gallons. Get what you need. You're going to be doing the same service over and over so you can buy things in bulk and be ready to roll. Streamline that menu. Streamline it on your social media, certainly on your online booking. It wouldn't be a bad idea to get a chalkboard or a sign similar to this sign right here to have inside of your business. That way people can just literally point to the wall on what they want. Have the services to be anywhere from 5 to 7, no more than 10 things for Vlogvember. It will be really defeating the purpose of streamlining and doing volume instead of being a jack of all trades. We're going for volume instead of a ton of variety this particular month. Your hours this month. In particular, think about Veterans Day coming up next week, as well as, of course, Thanksgiving week and that closing of the month, that week after Black Friday. Make sure that you have extended hours, your family knows, your children, your spouse, your friends, your maid, as well as the clients. They know not only through their email, maybe your online booking and your social media. Having an assistant this month, really for the rest of the year, until the holidays, until the new year, is a good idea. So if you have one, let them know they're going to get paid, but they're going to work harder, but things are going to be a lot busier this month. So let them know their hours and their responsibility. If you have access to possibly put somebody in part-time for November and December, it would not be a bad idea. Really think about retail being like a booth renter, like a commission worker, like an employee that can work for you. Let the retail and the volume of retail that you're going to sell to all of your Vlogvember clients be like the real estate for this month. It should be able to pay all your bills and more, because there's going to be volume coming into the salon. It should be volume going out the door with your retail bundles. Again, for bundles, I'm thinking 3 products, maybe wet, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, dry, serum, luster, oil. Put them on the shelf somewhere around 50 to 60 bucks. Offer either one of those to every single person that's going out the door, and an average of 5 to 6 people a day. You can see how 3 a day, 15 bundles a week, it can add up. That's bare minimum. And I'm thinking about if you are inside of a suite. But for a salon with a team, it can get crazy. Pricing, keep it 100. Have the base blowout to be somewhere between 80 and 100 bucks. Your blowout should not be any less than 80 bucks in 2023 going into 2024. So if it is at, let's say if it's at 80, just average from coast to coast, then you want to offer them those toppings. Remember, haircut, color, treatments to get that number up so you can get that 100 to 120 average coming through the salon. Keep it $100 with every client this month. Again, my suggestion, 3 before lunch, 3 after lunch. That's a great schedule for really any hairdresser doing silk press or blowouts for this month or any month for that matter. 3 before lunch, take a lunch, 3 after. So that's averaging about 6 a day, no less than 5 in my opinion, 5 days a week, 25 to 30 clients per week. If we're keeping it 100, anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000 each week. It's easy to get to that 10K in 30 days if we keep that average. Again, guys, lock in for November. Party in December, travel in December. That first week of December is a great week to go travel, maybe for a mini vacation or the holiday rush or Christmas rush at the end of December. So I would really just lock in, head down for these 30 days. Remember, the idea is to power up to really have an incredible Christmas and really position yourself for an incredible new year with what you're doing in Vlogvember. Everybody should know what the play is right now. Honestly, on day one, you should already know what the books are for this week. So make sure everybody knows with all the media that you need to put out there. Everybody knows what's going down from the clients and potential clients in your city and in your area. Last thing, guys, you know how I get down. Better lives all the time. Fitness. Put it inside your routine. That's why I really wanted to even set my mind straight. Even though it was a lot later getting my second workout in today, I really want to put that in my routine at least 3 or 4 times each week while I'm doing Vlogvember. It seems crazy because it's like, oh, I don't have time to go to the gym, but it's the direct opposite. You got to make that time. So if it's walking, if it's workout at home, things you can do literally inside of your salon station, inside of the salon, but you got to keep that body moving, guys, all 30 days this month, as well as keep the food clean as you can. Of course, there'll be some time, Thanksgiving, of course, we want to enjoy Turkey Day, but Keep the food, understanding that, listen, this is the fuel that I need, so I don't want to keep this dirty because it's going to slow down the engine and I need to be revving it up all 30 days. And lastly, rest. It's a big one for me. I still struggle with this as a creative. Our mind is constantly moving, constantly going. So to slow it down and to actually go to sleep instead of falling asleep like many of us do, guilty of that. We've got to be mindful of that to power up so we can go after. Remember, this is a 30-day run. So guys, good luck. This is day one for me with my Vlogvember, wrapping up the video. We'll be back every day this month. So day one is a wrap. We'll see you guys tomorrow.